Hey, hi, hello. This is Sarvana from aforanalyticsuniversity, and in this video, we're gonna see about Microsoft Power BI Service, which is the next software we're gonna look at. Stay tuned. And if you're a person who doesn't know about Microsoft Power BI and what it is, why we're gonna use Microsoft Power BI, and I have recently uploaded a video on that, a brief discussion on what is Power BI and why we're gonna use Power BI. Those steps we have already uploaded in the YouTube channel. You can have a look at it, and also I put it in the description box, and also you can see it now in the top right. Now, so that is several products in Microsoft. First one is Power BI Desktop. We already seen that. I have made a video of it. And next one, which is a Power BI Service. So when you get into this link, I put this link in the description, and if you get into the product, you will see about description, Pro, Premium, Embedded. So when we talk about Power BI Pro, so which is a user license. So when I click it, yes, so Microsoft provides a Power BI desktop as a free version. You can install it and develop a dashboard from scratch to the expertise level. But if you want to publish it, you need to have a server, right? The server could be an on-premise server or a cloud server. So Power BI Service is a Microsoft Cloud server. So we need to have a Microsoft Pro license to utilize sharing and collaboration of the reports dashboards we build. Now, so we can able to use Microsoft Power BI Service free with no cost, but you will have only one workspace, and so that will be a my workspace. You can't create any new workspace and share and collaborate with anyone. And also, if you want to embed a report uh, from your Power BI service to your website or any other any other HTML things, so you need to have a Power BI Pro license to get the embed code as well. So when you hit the link Power BI by now, this will redirect to a pricing page, yeah, where you can look at $7.50 user per month, so which is in pounds. And so if you want to look at the pricing of Power BI Pro, so you can go here, so you can see the Power BI pricing analytics for every organization here. So you see the two things, Power BI Pro and Power BI Premium. So I will talk about the Power BI Premium later as in the separate video. So this is a very broad element we need to look at. So for a simple phase, we're going to look at the Power BI Pro. So this is for self-service modern BI in the cloud. So we need to publish the dashboard from Power BI Desktop, that is from this software. So you can see the publish is faded out. If you hit this button publish, so the reports you build here will be goes into Power BI service. So Power BI Pro is a license. It's not for Power BI service usage. You can use it for free, but if you want to share and get embed code, it is must. You need to purchase it. And if you are in the US, you can purchase it 9.99. But if you are in India, rupee, it is around 660 per month, right? So I'm gonna show you how the Power BI service will be look like now. Oops. All right. So go to the first link, and I already have an account. Yes, I have an account. So you're going for the sales, which is the demo account. So I'm gonna put the password. Okay, fine. Okay, now, so this is a demo account. You can see that it is logged in with sales@aforanalytic.com, and it is not a pro license, first of all. So this is the Power BI service where you can able to publish your reports, and you also can able to see the data sets here. If you want to look any other report, I have few reports published as a sample. So this is one of a report, so which tells about the investment strategy. And so now if I want to share it, you can see the pop-up called upgrade to Power BI Pro. To use Power BI Pro features, upgrade to Power BI Pro license. Your organization requires that your IT department assign people Power BI license, so contact your IT admin to request a license. Okay, so if you are working in an organization, so it is very much that a Power BI administrator, there will be one person in your organization who will be maintaining all of this Office 365 things. So he needs to be a person who needs to assign Power BI license to your user, to your email ID. So since it is my Kathy, the sales at aforanalytics is not the admin account. It asks me to reach out the admin. So if I reach out, they will purchase it and give it to me. And if you are a single person who you want to use Power BI service, you want to purchase it, you can do that. You can just go here and click buy now, and redirects to the purchase page. Ask you for email ID. You can put it, and so that will get you in the Power BI Pro will be assigned to your email. So with that, you can able to share, collaborate, and create your own workspace, and yeah, so you can do a lot of stuff with that. So this is Power BI service with a Power BI Pro license. And so if you want to learn Power BI from the basic to the intermediate to the expert level, A4Analytics have created a separate department called aforanalyticsuniversity, so where we will be training people from the scratch in Power BI basic, intermediate to the expert level, comes up with a real-time project experience. So if you are a fresher, even if you have experience in any of a field, you want to move to Power BI because you can able to get a larger salary, higher salary, uh, so get into the top in the hierarchy to get promotions. And if you want to use Power BI in your organization, so this course will be the very right fit for you guys. And if you want to know about the course, you can go to our website aforanalytic.com. Following by, you can see the page called training. So if you click that, so this will open a page for A4Analytics University. So you can see that beginner to expert Microsoft Power BI training, which is a live classes. So there will be no pre-recorded classes, everything will be live. And you will be providing training on what is Power BI, why Power BI, Power BI desktop, Power BI servers, DAX, Power BI report server, custom visuals, integration with Azure machine learning, integration with R programming, integration with Python. So most of the things will be covered, so you will be ready for industry. And so you can able to see the curriculums, course details, the pricings, and a lot of stuffs, batches. And so the especially the one of important thing A4Analytics University is providing us lifetime access to this course. What does it mean is, let's say you are signing up to A4Analytics University course today in the September 2020. If you want to register for the course, for the same course again, you want to learn a new thing, learn the same thing, you forget that, you want to do it in the next year of March 2021, you can register for the new batch in A4Analytics University, and the live instructor will be there for you, and you can learn from the scratch without any investment, at no cost. So this is we are the few companies who are doing this. We are very few companies, we can easily count it out, doing this lifetime access to the peoples. And you can able to register it over here. And if you are ready to register for this course today, I provide you offer, which is secret offer. I provide you a 50% offer on this one, 31500. I provide you a flat 50% offer. I provide you a promo code in the description box. You can use that, and when you go for the buy, you can easily, it asks you for a promo code, you can just paste it that. And if you have any questions, you can ask over here in the chat. It asks you for the name, email and phone, and if you initiate the chat, the human person from aforanalytics university office will be reaching out to you. You can easily chat in the real time. And that's it. And if you have any questions, please feel free to drop your comments in the description, drop your comments in the comment box. And thanks for watching. See you. Bye.